While the Ghana Police Force awaits the autopsy results from the body of Riaz Hollander, his former boss, Attorney-at-Law Anil Nandlall, says that in the days leading to the man's dreadful demise, there were no signs that could have triggered an alarm that something was not right. Hollander is one of the applicants in the ongoing ballot recount case that has so far blocked the Ghana Elections Commission from making a declaration of the 2020 general and regional elections. Nightly News understands that around 4 hours Saturday morning, Hollander was standing in front of the gate of his apartment when he reportedly took his life in the presence of his wife and their security guard. This newscast was also informed that minutes before Hollander reportedly took his life, he and his wife reportedly were having an argument. Shortly after, neighbors reportedly heard a single gunshot. The body of Hollander was removed by undertakers. At the time of Nightly News' arrival, the body had already been removed. Family members of Hollander also requested privacy and thus declined to speak to members of the media. Meanwhile, on Monday, Nandlall explained that the death of his former driver comes as a shock.
I spent many hours per day with him. He was very, very close to me. We spent 15, 16 hours a day. Never heard anything. Never exhibited any tendency to suggest that he was suicidal or was prone in that direction, was not depressed, was doing well personally. And I am totally shocked. I'm absolutely shocked as to what may have come over him.
Nandlall noted that since the death of Hollander, he has received many calls from concerned persons, even those from the current administration. He added that Hollander began working for him at a time when he was Attorney General in the previous administration.
They all know him, he always with me, and he's always a helpful person, prepared to assist anybody with whatever they ask of him. So it's a real shock that I will have to get over, obviously, but it's really difficult at this point in time because I needed him so much, at this point in time.
According to Nandlall, Hollander's death will not have a negative effect on the opposition's ongoing court case, since he is still an applicant in the current proceedings. He explained what is likely to happen next.
At some point in time, you will have to make an application to substitute someone in his stead. But as a general rule, litigation is never defeated by the death of a party. There is provision in the law for the case to continue and for someone to be substituted. And that happens on an everyday basis. In litigation, people die during the course of cases. That's a normal thing, and so the law makes allowances for that.
Javone Vickerie, HGP Nightly News.